Hello everybody, I'm about 17. We've got two new deluxe figures that just got released. I'm gonna make this video really quick because it's not that big of news, and then I'm gonna give an update video. Just get it out of the way quick. So, Misfire and Slugslinger got revealed as deluxes. Now, alright, let's start off with just Misfire. So, these both were revealed at Australian Toy Fair. So, we first saw these two guys. We didn't actually get the official images first. We saw them kind of in hand, I guess you would say. And at first, Misfire's head was pink, and I wasn't too big of a fan of that. But then when the official image came out, it showed a head that was gray, which is a lot better compared to the G1 toy. The G1 toy had a gray head, and I thought this was gonna be kind of like Cup, where it's just they get the head color wrong. And I was like, well, the toy was gray and the original character was gray. Why isn't this one gray? Well, there you go. And just to tell between Misfire and Slugslinger, they both look really good, but in my personal opinion, I feel like a lot of people are still going to prefer the G1 toy over both of these guys, especially Slugslinger. Especially him, because I feel like his G1 toy was okay. I feel like his G1 toy actually looked pretty good, but I feel like a lot of 80s kids are going to really prefer the G1 toy over these guys. Now, Misfire, I mean, their vehicle modes look their vehicle modes look so much like their original toy vehicle modes. It's uncanny how good they look. Now, these both are remolds of, well, they're supposed retoolings of the Trigger Happy. Either that or they both borrow his legs, which works pretty well, although how strange it is that it's strange to look at them to see that they both have the same legs, but it works if you take a look at the toys and look at their vehicle modes. They had if you take a look at their toys, they had wings on their legs the exact way that these figures have, so it really works out. I like that Hasbro focused on that in the design. I'm not too sure why Slugslinger's head looks the way it does, because it doesn't look like the original G1 toy, which is what I thought Hasbro really tried to shoot for with all their figures. They shoot for toy accuracy, and Takara shoots for cartoon accuracy, and this time it's just weird. It's different. There's no visor on the head. It's just kind of this weird squinty look. Also, one thing to know about the Titan Masters, they seem to be basically exact identical copies of each other. They're just different colors. That's okay. Doesn't bother me too much. I imagine it'll bother somebody. But my personal opinion about both of these guys is they look okay. I'm just not sure if they seem to be as much of an improvement for the 80s fans to really jump in on. But tell me, are you gonna get this? Tell me in the comment section if you like it and you're thinking on getting it. I would really like to know about that, if a lot of people are planning on getting it. Now, on to another thing in the news. Now, this is very minor. It's a very minor thing. I don't think anybody's been really making videos on it, but apparently there is either a factory error or a running change with the Titans Return Chrome Dome, which involves, instead of having the IDW face sculpt, it's literally the entire Titan Master has been replaced with the Japanese version. So the Titan Master has paint, and it has the more G1 head sculpt. And I'm telling you, it's the exact Takara head sculpt, the exact Takara Titan Master, all the way down to the black screw in the center that keeps the face sculpt and Titan Master together. Now, these have been found around the US, just all around the US in stores, but you can't really get it online, probably maybe through a scalper on eBay or something, but I wouldn't trust that. Just go to your regular Walmart. They've been found in Walmarts around the US, in Washington State, California, Texas, North and South Carolina, and I believe some other places, but they've been found in that area around those states. Now, I looked in a couple of my Walmarts around here, and I haven't found any. So all the Transformers toy news is done, but I need to tell you guys so anybody who was here just looking for toy news, you can skip off of this video. We're done for that part, but I want to talk about updates to the channel and videos for the next month or so. I will be busy with schoolwork for basically the rest of the month of March, and so I do not know if I will be able to get videos out enough videos out in that time. I'm just very quickly making this video right now, and I don't know if I'll be able to have time to put a video out for March, or any videos out for that time. I know I missed Toy Fair, and I'm very, very sorry about that. I was out and away, and by the time I was away from the internet and away from my microphone and my setup, by the time I got back, Toy Fair, it was a week after Toy Fair, and it was already too late to cover it. So I'm very sorry about that, but I imagine my opinions are the same as yours. Everything was pretty okay. Triptychon's pretty dope. Some of the figures got revealed were and some of them were wow. But other than that, that's it for the video today. Don't forget you can like this video, comment, and even subscribe, but only if it's your pleasure. Follow my social medias down in the description below. I'm about 17, and I will see you later. Also, thank you for 200 subs.